What's up? This is Ben from ShutItUnit.com, and we are in Kevin's Subaru WRX STI,
hey guys,
which has a few mods done to it. I don't know if you can see his seatbelt setup. The car sounds absolutely great, like you guys just heard in the intro. And so Kevin's going to tell us a little bit about his car, and then I'm going to ask him some usual questions and a lot of questions that people from Reddit had, especially about the E85. So
yes,
what are the main things to know about your WRX?
Alright, well, I have a 2016 Lapis Blue Pearl STI. It's currently on E85. I have, what's it called, ID1050 injectors, AM320 fuel pump, Cobb fuel pressure regulator, Cobb fuel pressure sensor, and the Cobb flex fuel sensor.
And you have a Cobb access port, of course.
I have a Cobb access port, yep.
But you're running a custom tune?
Yes, by Anspec down in Southern California.
Okay, got it. And that was a dyno tune?
Dyno tune, yes sir.
Nice. Did you run like, when you got the access port, did you have any other mods done, or did you just run like?
When I had the access port, all I had was, what's it called, the nameless muffler deletes from the previous owner.
Okay.
And I ran hella ridge. Every downshift, it sounds like a gunshot.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It was one of those pop and bang.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. And eventually my dam dropped to .812.
Wow.
Or like roughly around that area.
Yeah.
And I got hella nervous, so I got pro-tuned.
Got it. That's smart.
Yeah.
That's definitely a good choice. Okay, so you're running E85. E85, I've heard, is a little bit cheaper, as you were mentioning, than 91. So 91 here in Southern California is about like $384.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
now,
it's expensive as hell.
E85 costs how much?
Like $290-ish.
That's
but it burns a lot faster though.
Yeah. So what is your fuel consumption in this car?
When I'm cruising on E60, I'm at like 8 miles a gallon.
Okay.
But like on the freeways, I get around like 15.
Okay.
Which isn't so bad.
And that's like the top, like 15 miles per gallon.
Yeah, and that's driving hella.
With that?
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it.
Oh man, that's rough. All right, so we'll move on to some viewer questions. All right, since it's a WRX, do you vape?
Nah.
Wow. Surprising. When you were buying this car, which other cars were you looking at?
It was a 335i. The 335i was expensive as hell.
Got it.
Because I got this car for 27 out the door.
Yeah.
And the 335i, they wanted like 32-ish. Okay. But that one was brand new and this one was used.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So easy choice. And then you put that $5,000-ish in mods. You have about $5,000.
Yeah, $8,000 probably. I bought everything new.
Okay. Yeah. Nice. All right. Is this car a good daily? This is your one car now, right? You had an E36 M3.
For a little bit, yeah, but the price to like fix it up was way too expensive.
Yeah. And so how is it having this car as your one?
It's a pretty good daily. The only issue is like I'm on coils and like the road's so bouncy.
Do you think it'd be better on stock suspension or on springs?
Honestly, the stock suspension was a little bit too high for me. Kind of like the wheel gap was huge.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But I mean, as a daily, it's like it's pretty nice. Okay. It's fun.
And what's the wheel setup on here?
I'm running Motegi track lights. They're 18x9 plus 35, I believe. Okay. And tire setup is Hankook S102s, 245, 40, 18.
Is it square setup?
Square setup, yeah.
Okay, gotcha. Cool. Did you do the E85 setup yourself?
I was too nervous, like touching like fuel lines and everything. Okay. So I had Anspec down there to do it.
Nice. And how many miles has it been since you tuned it to E85?
Probably around like 8,000 miles. 8,000 miles.
Any issues?
No issues whatsoever.
Filling up has been good.
Yep.
Can you fill up either 91 or 85 or a mix?
Yeah, I normally do a mix, and every like 3 tanks of the mix, I go full 91.
Okay, got it. To flush it out.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Gotcha. All right. What side skirts are on here?
There's some like eBay brand. I think it's by Basin R. Okay. But I'm replacing them with a APR side skirts.
Gotcha. And you have an APR wing on the back.
Yeah.
Do you know how big that wing is by any chance?
I think it's 67 inches. Cobb SF intake.
Okay, got it. Does your car smell like French fries from the back?
Not really.
No, it's good. And what is your least favorite thing about the STI?
As of right now?
Yeah, the way you have it set up, and then I'll ask you when it was stock, what was your least favorite thing? So two different.
Least favorite thing right now will probably be, yeah, I don't know.
Like if there's one thing you could change, like if it could get 40 miles to the gallon. Like,
Oh yeah, gas mileage for sure then.
Okay.
Yeah, mileage for sure.
Easy choice. And when it was stock, what was the mileage like stock?
Stock was like 19-ish on the freeways.
So significantly better.
Significantly better, yeah.
And what was the worst thing when it was stock, other than being stock?
The throttle response.
So what's the issue with that? Not
When you
fast
like
enough or like?
No, it's like a little bit too sensitive. Like 50%, throttle would be like 75%. So it wasn't linear.
Oh damn! So you
Yeah,
can
it
push
wasn't
down further on the pedal, and like you would physically push, but it wouldn't do anything.
Like no, it's more like you push like lightly,
And
it'll
it
be
gives
like
you too much.
yeah,
Too much.
yeah,
Yeah, that's really important. And then with the tune, that's gone now.
yeah, exactly, yeah.
Okay, cool. And then what's your favorite feature of the stock STI? Like why did you want it so bad, or did you know that you were gonna mod it and it was a good platform?
I wanted to leave it stock, so I love the STI for the wing. Get that iconic
You were
wing.
gonna leave this car stock?
I wanted to leave it stock, but
Do you know how many mods you have?
a lot. Yeah.
A lot of mods. That's
It's
really
expensive to like keep it up.
cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true. Okay. Going back to the daily use of this car, how is it in terms of like the entertainment system, the radio, the controls on the steering wheel, cruise control, any of that type of like?
So right now I have an aftermarket GCS Apex Android hand unit.
Okay.
And
It looks really clean. I honestly was gonna ask if this is stock because
but the thing is, when I was wiring it, I think something happened with what's like a backup camera. So I don't have a backup camera anymore.
Oh. So stock it worked with the
Stock it worked completely fine, yeah.
Got it. But it's still on the trunk.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
little camera. That's really funny. All right. Can we hear a little bit of a pull in maybe second or third gear? It sounds phenomenal, and this thing just kicks you in the back.
Yep.
Like, these seats are really great.
Yeah.
All right. So now let's talk mods. I want to start with the seats, and then if you'll
Seats.
kind of take us through
Like
the other
everything
mods that you have. Yeah.
Alright, so right now I'm running Sparko Evo 2s, and I'm on what's it called, Sparko sliders and Sparko rails,
Okay.
Sparko 4-point harnesses. I have the Cusco power brace, I believe is what it's called, for the harnesses.
Uh-huh.
And then I'm running a NVIDIA Catalyst downpipe, made it to a custom fab single exit with the resonator and no muffler. Sabon carbon fiber hood, APR GTC 300 wing, based on our side skirts, Aeroflow Dynamics front splitter, Battle Aero carbon fiber lip. I have the JDM grill.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and I have the the JDM dual console armrest right there. And
Do these heated seats still work?
nah, they don't work anymore. But I never really use them anyways. In terms of performance, I have Injector Dynamics 1050 injectors, AM320 fuel pump, Cobb flex fuel sensor, fuel pressure regulator. I have the Grimspeed 3-point electronic boost control solenoid. I have a Grimspeed air oil separator, which I'm trying to save up for the IAG Comp Series. And then I have the steering wheel by Suede It. He's down in what's it called, Southern California too. He's a pretty dope guy.
I know that in the STI stock, at least, when you put it in the different modes, like like sport sharp, all that,
intelligent.
Does it still change the way the car handles for you right now?
Well, for me, the difference between Sport Sharp, Sport, and Intelligence is the throttle response and peak boost.
Okay.
So Sport Sharp, I'm pushing 20.5. Sport is like 18-ish,
Okay.
and Intelligence like 16.
Got it. And
But it
how
all
much-
depends on my ethanol content too.
Right. That
Yeah.
makes sense. So what is the maximum power output you can get with like as much E85 as maximum?
Well, I mean, for me, when I get the difference between E60 and E85 is like insignificant.
Okay.
And E85 just wears out injectors more, or so my tuner said,
Okay.
which I believe.
Yeah.
So at E60, I'm pushing 330 to the wheels and 390 torque to the wheels.
Wow, great numbers. Cool. All right. Anything else that people should know about your STI or STIs in general, if they're like trying to buy one or mod theirs up? Like, what is something that you didn't realize before you got this car that if someone told you, you'd be like, oh, that's super helpful, or like, what's a good first mod, or like
Good first mod, I feel like, would be wheels.
Yeah.
Wheels. They change up the looks so much.
Yeah. They do.
And I regret not getting wheels first.
What did you do first?
The what's it called? Rain visors.
That's funny. On stock
Yep.
wheels. And then how much lower is the car now in stock?
I think it's like 1.75 inches.
On all four quarters?
Yeah, exactly.
Cool. All right. Well, hopefully people enjoyed this video. I think that was a lot of content to go through. Hopefully there's a lot of really good sound clips in this. We'll film a little bit more right now. But if you guys have any questions for Kevin, leave them down in the comments below. If you're cool with it, I'll put your Instagram down in the description. Yeah, so people can DM you on there and comment. And if you guys like the video, make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Huge thanks to Kevin.
Yep, thanks for having me.
Yeah, now we're going to film some more. I'm going to get to drive the car, and then maybe we'll do a separate video on that, because I've never driven a WRX or an STI.